In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove a hotel from a saved list in Booking.com. .com app working. If you've ever saved a place on Booking.com and later changed your mind, I'll show you exactly how to take it off your list without any confusion. This is quick, clean, and won't affect any of your existing bookings. Start by opening the Booking.com app on your phone. Make sure you're signed into the account where you originally saved the place. Since saved lists are tied to your profile, once you're in, look at the bottom of the screen for the navigation bar, tap Saved, the heart icon along the bottom menu. This is where Booking.com keeps everything you've favorited. It's organized so you can jump straight into the places you've marked for later, which makes it easy to tidy up lists when your plans change. Next, open the specific list where the hotel is stored. Many people have lists named something like favorites or wish list, but yours might be custom, such as a trip name or a city. Tap the list that contains the property you want to remove. You'll now see a grid or list of all the places saved under that category. Find the hotel you no longer want to keep. When you see it, look for the heart icon on the property's card or alongside its name. Tap that heart to unheart it. The icon will switch from filled to outlined and the listing will disappear from that list. That's your confirmation that it's been removed successfully. A couple of helpful notes here. Removing a hotel from a saved list doesn't delete your Booking.com account. It doesn't cancel any reservations, and it doesn't remove the property from the platform. It simply takes it out of that specific saved collection, so your list stays relevant and uncluttered. If you change your mind later, you can always search for the property again and tap the heart to save it back to a list. If the listing seems to linger for a moment, give the page a second to refresh, or navigate back and reopen the list to see the update. Also, if you use multiple devices, remember that changes sync to your account, so the removal will reflect across your phone and tablet once both are online. That's all there is to it. Open the app, go to Saved, choose your list, and unheart the hotel. Keeping your Booking.com lists organized makes planning easier and helps you focus on the stays that actually fit your trip. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your next booking.